Hi everyone, my name is Brendan and today I'm going to be taking you through another great feature in the PAM platform and the start of a mini-series on digital gateways. We'll walk through how you can leverage your existing communications channels to help your users access the digital maps on their mobile phones. In the start of the series today, I'm going to show you how to create QR codes in the map editor and digital sign manager that can be printed and stuck on physical signs in the environment so users can scan these to navigate their way around your environment. Let's jump in the map editor to begin with. Once in the map editor, you head over to the digital sign manager, which is where we place our QR code gateway out the front of this popular hall. Next, we head over to the dictionary item and assign the specific digital gateway for that location so that it can be measured in analytics. Once we hit save and the map editor is updated, we head over to the digital sign manager where we will assign our specific QR code gateway to that location. Here we can see the digital gateway sign in front of Llewellyn Hall. Once we click on this, we can select our layout and select digital gateway and hit save. From here, you can download this QR code that is specific to that location and print it out and stick it on any type of physical sign that will enable it to be seen in any environment. The QR code is specific to that area, and all users that scan the QR code in that area will be tracked through analytics. I hope that gives you a brief update on the QR code gateways that are able to be created in PAM Map Editor. For more information, head to the PAM website at pam.co or follow our YouTube channel at PAM Wayfinding for the rest of the mini-series. Thanks for watching.